what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com and it's Dyno Day, my favorite day of the week. And today we have our recently acquired, at the time of this video, 2004 Azure or Azure Blue Mach 1, however you want to say it. We bought this car local from a mutual friend of the company, and considering the miles and the age of the car, it's in really good condition. 134,000-ish miles are on the odometer. It's had a little bit of paint work, of course, indicating the 03-04 Cobra front bumper, but nonetheless, like I said, it wears really well considering the miles and the year. All right, so now that we have all that good stuff out of the way, I'll talk about some modifications in the dyno technical specifications. So this car here, it does have a JLT fender well cold air intake, and because of that particular cold air intake, the shaker, it's not functional. It does have a SCT can tune for 93 octane fuel, and we have 93 octane fuel in the tank. It has factory exhaust manifolds, a off-road X-pipe, boiler attack catback. These cars did have a steel drive shaft, and they were equipped from the factory with 355 rear end gears. As far as a wheel and a tire out back, that's an 18-inch wheel with a 285/35/18 tire. This car does still have the factory 5-speed transmission, so our pull is going to be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Other than that, for those of you that watch our dyno videos, you guys know the drill. We're going to make a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued. We're going to make it hit. All right, people, before we talk about numbers, let me first tell you what the naturally aspirated 4-valve was rated at in the 03-04 Mach 1s. This particular engine was rated at 305 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. So as far as the rear wheel horsepower for this car, we got a runner on our hands. This car here made 299 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 325 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 RPM. Needless to say, that's pretty darn impressive, considering the mods and of course, you know, the miles that even makes it crap. But nonetheless, this car is really fun to drive on the street, obviously indicating, you know, the power it makes. And I guess we could say that the 4-valve prevails. Sorry, 2-valve guys, don't hate me for that. But no, serious guys, hope you guys enjoy the dyno videos as much as we enjoy showing you all this cool stuff. If you like it, like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And we're going to sign off today. You know what to do for all things Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.